To enhance safety and security, you can use SaaS login restriction policies so you can drive traffic to your specific SaaS applications through your access server using its IP address. This way, you have more control over who can connect to your SaaS application, whether it's employees, vendors, or partners. And when I'm talking about SaaS applications, I'm talking applications such as Salesforce, ServiceNow, and so on. So you're ensuring the security of your SaaS application with private network access through access server. Now you can create an environment where all access to SaaS service is routed through access server, while all other traffic or internet traffic is not, such as what you see on the screen in this slide, to lower your bandwidth requirements. Or you can also configure your access server to route all internet traffic. For this example, in this video, we're just going to route the SaaS application while all other internet traffic are going outside of the access server. This basically helps us to overcome the challenge of maintaining a list of ever-changing IP addresses by whitelisting SaaS access using a single IP address. Our remote users are all over the places, so basically it is impossible. In order to do so, we need to take two steps. For the example of this video, we are using salesforce.com. First step is to add your access server IP address to allow list. If you search on your SaaS provider website, you should find, or you should be able to find an instructions on how to add your IP address or access server IP address to allow list. For example, if I go to salesforce.com and search for how to add my IP address to allow list, I get a page like this. So I can follow the instructions and add my access server IP address. The next step is to find the published IP addresses of Salesforce. For example, again, on this website, I can see all the published IP addresses based on region. I can find the one that it's appropriate for me, copy that subnet, and head out to the admin UI or admin user interface of access server. Once you're on admin UI, click on configuration and go to VPN settings. You need to look at the routing section. For example, here you can see that on mine using NAT is selected and there is a box underneath. This is where we're going to go ahead and paste the subnet that we just copied. So I'm going to paste the subnet in this box. And then the next step is choosing if we want to route all traffic through the access server or not by toggling this switch. I'm going to leave it as no because I just want to let the SaaS traffic goes through the access server. Then I scroll down to the bottom of the page, click on Save Settings, and of course you need to update running server. So now we configured that all SaaS applications or SaaS connection needs to go through the access server, otherwise the connection will be refused. So let's go ahead and test that. I'm going to bring up my Salesforce login page, and I'm going to try to log in with my username and password here. I'm not connected to the access server, so the login should get refused. And as you can see, I'm not able to log in. So let's go ahead, bring up my Connect app, and I'm going to connect with one of my users, Dave, so the connection can go through the access server. Okay, we're connected right now, and I'm going to bring up the login screen, and I'm going to log in again with my username and password. This time I should be able to log in because our connection is going through our tunnel or access server. So click on login, and as you can see, I'm able to log into salesforce.com right now. So this is how we're going to add another layer of security to our connection to our SaaS providers or SaaS applications.